Locate the glove box on the passenger side below the infotainment screen. The release button is on the lower right of the glove box door. Gently press this rectangular or oval button about 1 to 2 inches long to unlatch the door. Simultaneously pull the handle. The spring-loaded mechanism will allow the glove box to swing open. No keys or tools are required for this electronic push-button system. If the button feels sticky or unresponsive, try jiggling the door or applying slight pressure while pressing the button, especially in cold weather. Lubricate the latch with silicone spray if needed, but avoid disassembly to prevent voiding warranties. Keep an eye out for Volvo's over-the-air OTA software updates via the Volvo Cars app, which can sometimes affect glovebox functionality. Newer models, 2023 Plus XC90, are trending towards capacitive touch sensors or voice-activated commands for glovebox access and may offer app-based remote unlocking. By 2030, biometric systems may fully integrate glovebox access.